All-day slimming tea reviews. Does it work? Are you curious about all-day slimming tea and its effectiveness? This video explores its claims, ingredients, and what users think, offering insights for those interested in natural weight loss solutions. All-day slimming tea is popular for weight loss, combining natural herbs like green tea, oolong tea, and botanicals to boost metabolism and reduce hunger. Users often report increased energy and weight loss benefits. Real user reviews shed light on the tea's weight management efficacy, with stories of reduced cravings and enhanced energy. While results vary, these testimonials provide hope for potential users. The tea's ingredients, such as green tea and ginger, are known metabolism boosters that aid in fat burning. They help increase metabolic rates, contributing to gradual weight loss when used consistently. Appetite suppression is another benefit, with yerba mate and chromium helping to manage portions and reduce cravings. This can lead to significant changes in eating habits and support weight loss. For best results, combine all-day slimming tea with regular exercise and a balanced diet. This holistic approach ensures sustainable weight management while enhancing overall health and wellness. If seeking alternatives, consider weight loss supplements, detox teas, and fat burners. Each has unique benefits, but incorporating them into a healthy lifestyle is essential for achieving weight loss goals. Interested in buying all-day slimming tea? It's available online and in local stores. Choose from platforms like Amazon or visit specialty health stores to integrate it into your daily wellness routine.